If Battlefield 6 is lagging on your PlayStation 5, start by opening the game and heading into the settings menu. Go into graphics and begin adjusting the options. Lower a few of the heavier settings and turn off anything you don't really need. Reducing the graphical load can smooth out the gameplay. If your internet is normally good but you are still lagging, back out to the PlayStation 5 home screen and open the main settings. Go to network, then select settings again. Choose setup internet connection, highlight the network you are connected to and press the options button. Now change the Wi-Fi frequency band from automatic to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. Avoid using automatic cause it tends to low things down. After that, go into advanced settings, change DNS settings from automatic to manual. Set the primary DNS to 1.1.1.1 and secondary DNS to 1.0.0.1. Once that's done, apply the changes, restart your console and launch Battlefield 6 again. The lag should be gone and the game should run much smoother now. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.